Hi dear friends, welcome to this video. Do you know what we're going to draw today? That's right, a happy green frog. Let's get started together. Stay with me till the end so our frog turns out super cute. Let's see what colors we'll need. Red, pink, green, black. All right, grab your colored pencils. Are you ready? Let's start painting together.
3, 2, 1!
Don't go anywhere, friends. We'll finish this drawing together. Be with us. Create a beautiful world. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Did you enjoy it? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click and create beautiful stories with us. Thanks for spending your time. Like and subscribe and be with us.
Wow!